Welcome to our exclusive first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, the latest innovation in foldable smartphone technology. Samsung has once again pushed the boundaries of what's possible, and we're here to give you a detailed overview of the significant updates and new features that make this device a game changer. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future of smartphones, you're in the right place. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 continues to impress with its design, retaining the squared-off form that sets it apart from the rounded aesthetics of the S series. This design choice not only gives the Z Fold 7 a unique and professional look, but also provides a comfortable grip, making it easier to hold and use. The build quality is nothing short of premium, with materials that feel sturdy and durable, ensuring that the device can withstand the rigors of daily use. Samsung has clearly listened to user feedback and has refined the design to offer a perfect balance between form and function. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to continue the trend of AI integration, enhancing the user experience with intelligent features. Samsung has been at the forefront of incorporating AI into their devices, and the Z Fold 7 is no exception. With the potential for paid AI features at launch, users can look forward to advanced capabilities that could include personalized recommendations, enhanced security, and more. These AI features are designed to make the device more intuitive and responsive to individual needs, offering a truly personalized experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with a hopping 16GB of RAM. This combination ensures that the device can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, a Z Fold 7 is built to deliver a smooth and lag-free performance. Additionally, with multiple storage options available, users can choose the configuration that best suits their needs, ensuring they have enough space for all their apps, photos, and files. For the first time, Samsung introduces under-display cameras for both the internal and cover screens on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This innovative approach provides a seamless viewing experience without compromising on camera quality. The rear camera setup is similar to the Galaxy S25 Plus, featuring a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens. However, Samsung has made enhancements to the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, promising even better performance and image quality. This camera system is designed to capture stunning photos and videos in any situation, making it a versatile tool for content creators. Samsung has made significant improvements to the display quality of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The new screens are brighter and more color accurate, providing a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. Thanks to a new hinge and display protection technology, the infamous crease that has been a point of contention for foldable devices is now a thing of the past. Users can enjoy a completely flat and seamless display, whether they're using the device folded or unfolded. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 features a 6.4-inch external display and a 7.7-inch internal foldable display, both utilizing 120Hz AMOLED technology. This ensures smooth scrolling and animations, making the device feel incredibly responsive. Additionally, the Z Fold 7 offers S Pen support, allowing users to take notes, draw, and interact with the device in a more precise and natural way. It's important to note that the S Pen is sold separately, giving users the option to add this accessory if they choose. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July 2025 with a starting price of around $1,900, which is approximately £1,800. This pricing positions the Z Fold 7 as a premium device, reflecting the advanced technology and features it offers. While it may be a significant investment, the Z Fold 7 aims to provide value through its innovative design and capabilities. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to be a significant player in the foldable smartphone market. With its combination of innovative features and refined design, it offers a unique and powerful user experience. Be sure to stay tuned for further updates as more information about the Z Fold 7 emerges. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.